caved in. Luckily, we got the cage over winter and it saved it, so saved Mary and the passenger seat too, so that's cool. Nothing wrong with it. Exhaust through my side skirt. Oh my god, it's so sad seeing it like this. It just looks so smoked. Jesus Christ. I put on my comp tires, so get a couple laps and then try to do qualifying with them. Hopefully I can qualify. There's only 16 people that can qualify at 40. And I've only gotten like 5 laps today.
Nice, he's not as scared. He's got it.
Twice already, so let's see how this goes. Hopefully I can pull out a win. He's pretty fast, so I just gotta, now that it's raining, I might be able to keep up.
He crashed his car, Logan did, had his alignment out about 2 inches, had to fix all of that. Now he's back out here ripping on it, so. Looks like we have Donnie leading and Logan chasing. Donnie Stebbins in that blue S13 with the orange wheels. Logan in the Ozark Drip Parts. Right on the inner clip. Very nice by Donnie. Donnie going nice and wide here. Up the ball, let it mess up by Logan. Get back in it. Pulling away on the chicane though and dragging that handbrake to that inner clip.
God damn it. I got a 0. I straightened. So the only thing I can hope for is that he does too. This will be 3 times I lose to him.
The second half of the battle, Logan leading. Giving a very nice wide initiation there.
him a little bit of space.
Trying to close that gap as they come around here.
Donnie
Right in
straightens out
front of
just a
you guys.
bit.
Donnie's diving in.
Filling that outer zone all the way, coming down the chicane. Let's see about this handbrake drag right here on the inner clip.
Logan putting down a really clean lead line for.
Get right on the door. Oh, he goes inside and
Good
almost
save.
loops it, but saves it.
Good
Fantastic
save.
across the line.
Make some noise for these drivers.
That guy has been to war with that car.
Donnie taking the win. Donnie taking the win.
Moving on. Top
Great
8.
job for Logan for getting this thing fixed up, getting back out here to compete.
Fantastic run. Fantastic run.
We will see Donnie in top 8.
Yeah, I lost again. Fuck, man. I just want more. I want to win. God. God damn, I suck. After the competition, I was gonna have to dip out either way. We just went out of the country and we were in Belize for a week, so we left that Sunday, so like 5 in the morning. So that was pretty stressful event anyways, but I wasn't really happy with my driving, and it kind of sucks because I practiced a lot on the simulator. Some things with the car don't feel the exact same as a simulator, like the foot brake, and e-brake was having issues and stuff like that, so it's just a little annoying, but unfortunate. I sort of like bent my car in half. It's super smoked. I'm gonna pull this door off and then try and pull this quarter out. I don't think it'll pull out, but I'll if anything, I'll have to cut a section out, weld a new section in. Yeah, a little bummed with my driving and how the car looks, but we'll get over it and we'll move on. So hopefully I can have this done here in like a week or two, have it fixed, and then I think there's an event in St. Louis towards the end of June, and then the next event for Precision Drift is in July. I really don't want to drive it like this because nobody can ride in the passenger seat. It's sort of a fire hazard if they can't get out of the door. Yeah, so a little bummer, but anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. It's kind of probably a little sad, at least it is for me. So see you guys.